Nigeria is here.
Basically, what you should expect from Kogi State is that what we have in Kogi State right now is government without governance. The PDP is going to introduce government with governance, and we are going to make sure that we curb all the violence going on. Today, there's no payment of salaries in Kogi State, and where salaries are being paid in percentage, 20%, 30%. There is unduly victimization of the civil servants. We are going to make sure that all this is ameliorated. We are going to introduce, by the special grace of God, not only infrastructural development, but we are going to tap into the many available mineral resources of Kogi State. We will not depend on federal allocation because Kogi is one of the richest states in this country, and we have no reason to be poor. And by the grace of God, we are going to use the intellectual capacity and the resource of the people of Kogi State to develop Kogi State. We are going to do things differently by the grace of God. The Kogi State is a PDP state, and as I speak to you, APC's history is obituary in Kogi State because of their maladministration, because of perfidy, because of their ineptitude character. It's history in Kogi State. We are taking back Kogi State because there will be proper elections and the people, our votes will count. We will not allow violence, we will not allow intimidation, we will not allow people to be cowed, and we are going to defend our votes. The endorsement by the AGM today is very encouraging. I feel very excited. It's a very organized forum for people of very credible character, and by the grace of God, it's going to propel us into success. It's going to encourage us to do exactly the will of the people when we get to power. And I associate myself completely with the AGM.